Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out, arguing.
Hey everybody. It's late into the vlog, ain't it? It is 6:37 p.m. on a Saturday. I didn't start vlogging until now, like literally just now. So me and my sister, we about to go eat. We hungry, and we about to go to Dave's Hot Chicken. So how we ended up with dresses, I don't know. My dress had my bottoms. Once again, it's just the big booty problems. My bottoms had ripped. They had ripped, like down the seam again. So I don't know what to do about that. But we about to get ready to go eat at Dave's Hot Chicken. I'm finna go charge my camera up in the car. And I had a few plans today. I'll talk to y'all about that later. I think we need to do a story time, if you ask me. So, bye y'all. See y'all with Dave's. We here, y'all. It's close to Velvet, the one by Velvet Taco. Oh yeah, it is close. This is the perfect day to eat outside. Thank you. I'm gonna show y'all this food. Hold on.
The slider, like the bread is about the size of my palm, but the tender will stick out.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
What you want? Whatever you want.
What's going on, y'all?
So I'm about to go get me like a small cup of water. How much he put in? He put like 25? You always keep you some wet wipes in your bag, okay? Oh, let me show you this. Let's see. I don't know what you're doing, but she got the same thing.
Oh, I did.
Chicken and fries. And this is what the mac and cheese look like.
And I seen people put it on top.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it without it first. So I think I'm gonna try the tender first. This is the Dave's sauce. Y'all making sure we not get to this sauce. Taste it. Y'all, this is so good. I'm not even wrong. We forgot to say, Lord forgive us. Lord forgive us. And forgive me. Y'all, this is so good. This wing, try the fries. It's heavy. And mac and cheese good. These fries are so good. I don't know what seasoning they use, but bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna try the slider by itself. It has coleslaw at the bottom and pickles. So I'm gonna try it first by itself. So we are back at the house. Chilling. Really. I'm about to get ready to touch on my makeup a little bit. And then head to my friend's house. It's his birthday. So yeah, she's having another game night. I won't be at this game night very long.
I had a shit tomorrow.
Huh? Oh, that's cute.
I'm pregnant.
Her hair cute, right? Your hair cute like that.
I feel like an African mom.
Yeah, yeah. Stop playing with her.
Stop bumping for these people.
Yeah. So these people come up here like I be doing my broom. My neighbors be so loud. I done told on them so many times. That's Lord, I just cannot wait till I can get in my own house. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. I want to wear that tonight, but it's Easter weekend and I just...
You look like you finna go lay down.
I'm so tired. Like I did this last weekend, y'all. I was supposed to have went out. I set my alarm. I thought I did. I laid down at 9:30. I said I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap. Babe, I woke up. It was 12:06. Like I said, 12:16. Tired. Okay. Food got me. Y'all, that food was so good. So y'all definitely have to try what is it called? Dave's Hot Chicken? I believe it's Dave's Hot Chicken. Y'all gonna have to try that out. It was really good. So, like I said, I'm finna get ready to touch on my makeup. Look at my lashes. That's a whole nother story. It's like things have been happening the past couple of days. I know they seem small, but I'm just like, I just got my lashes done. And it's just like, everything not gonna be perfect though, so. Let me check this phone. If y'all don't know me by now, but my tolerance for BS is very, very, very my tolerance for BS is just not very. Excuses, I'm not good with that. When people make up excuses and stuff and tell me why they couldn't do things or this and that, I'm just okay. I'll be quick to block people too. What? I like. Don't stop. I like. Let's see. She told me to teach her to dance.
I'm get it. Okay, it's on this. Okay, wait.
I like.
Let me put my phone on the charger too.
Don't stop. I like.
It's the push.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
How you do the front? Okay, how you do that part? Okay.
Okay.
Beginning.
Don't stop now.
Oh, how many times do?
You just go with the beat. Don't stop
Okay.
now.
Okay. Don't stop now.
Look at her. She might teach you better. Yeah. Now do her. What you doing? You look like her a little bit.
No, I don't.
Oh wait, no, just to go. No. Okay. That's how I got my hair up, looking like somebody's mama. Okay. Hold on. There we go. Definitely look like somebody's mama. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to head to Norman so that we can enjoy his birthday tonight with his friends. Let's see. I just sprayed all of my mama Good Girl. That Carolina Herrera Good Girl. It smells so good. Well, I ain't gotta fill up. I filled up before I came into town. Cause I just knew I was gonna be ripping and running. Hi everybody. So today we are about to get ready to go to the Marvin Sapp and John P. Key concert at our church that we usually go to, which is Wheeler Baptist Church. So yes, we are wearing white. We have to wear our white today. We are dressed. And it is Friday. Yeah. Anyway, yes. So we are about to cut us a little piece of cake, right?
Yeah.
Heading to get into the car, and we finna go. Okay. All right. So we made it. Safe.
I called in, so.
Put my mask on for they take the usher on me.
Yeah, they'll stop.
Excited to be here tonight. Come on, Wheeler, let's do this. Come on, I'll pray every day for the rest of. Come on, say, praise him in the new day. Come on and praise him.
Good morning. It is Saturday, and I'm just about to put a little TV on. I'm about to clean up. I'm about to put some food on. It's like 11:40 or something like that. So like I said, I'm just about to get some breakfast going, put some TV on. It's Saturday. It's feeling good. The weather is perfect. Right now, I'm currently getting my car detailed on the inside. So it's getting all cleaned out. Because in the back seat, it was too much going on. I said I need my stuff clean. I need to feel renewed when I sit in my car. And I can't wait to see it. So right now, it's currently being cleaned out. And they said it was gonna take like an hour and a half. I was like, dang, to do everything that they was gonna do. They was gonna shampoo the seats, steam it, vacuum it, clean the console, clean the everything, the doors, the in my trunk. So I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. Hopefully it's gonna look brand new. So yeah, and that is a part of self-care to me, like just making sure that your house is clean, your car is clean, something that you don't get all the time, but like getting a fresh wash, new tires, like that's basically grown-up stuff, but it's self-care because it keeps you safe. It's something that makes you feel good driving on some brand new tires, you know. So right now, like I said, I'm finna make some breakfast as well as clean up. I'm still a little tired, like I can feel it off in here in my eyes, but I have all day to take a nap if I want to. But it feels so good outside. I don't know if I want to go do something. Maybe me and Yummy have some lunch, take her to the park, something along those lines. Y'all wanna know what I'm listening to? This is Baby Mother and Shoey, Money Hoey, I don't know. Featuring Rico Nasty, but yeah, it's called Lately. Lately, I've been thinking about a bag, no laundry. She killed that. But I've been cleaning up. I feel like every time I clean up, it's just more stuff coming out as I clean up, like pants, like. But anyway, they're done with my car. And it took them. They got here at like 10. I think they might have started at like 10:30, and it is now 2. They were done at like 1:45. Went down there, paid them, and then my car looks amazing. It looks a whole lot better than what it looked like beforehand. They cleaned that up, and they cleaned my seats, shampooed, steamed it, cleaned all the crevices, all of that. So I'm about to go downstairs so I can show you guys, yeah, what it looks like. They did a great job too. It took them about 3 hours. About 3 hours, which sounds about right for that. But well, hold on, because he told me an hour and a half. No, he told me an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I guess another extra hour. He did say that there was some stains in there that they kept trying to extract. But we about to go see. So, girl, y'all, here it go. And don't worry, my car is old, but it gets me around and it's good on gas. Don't worry about that. But look how clean it is. Look at the crevices. All that. Clean. He also sprayed it with some kind of UV protection stuff. I think this is the stain, and that right there said it's very hard. That has been in there for years. So yeah, it looks 10 times better. Down here, it was this, oh, if y'all can see, if y'all focus, it was so dusty, so dirty right here. And she's so freaking crazy, talking about, I don't want to sit in here, I want to go play on my iPad.
I want to sit here.
Sit down. You know, sometimes you just gotta sit down and just sit. Sometimes you just gotta sit down and be thankful for the things that you have, you know?
Yeah, I'm not really that.
You're not really that what?
I'm not really that car person. I'm not that little car person. I am a tablet person that plays with tablets on it.
I'm just placing my stuff back in here that I had in here. Sanitizers and CDs. I'm keeping my CDs where they were, even if it is old. Daughtry, yeah. Stop playing. And it feels like tonight. Loving it. Y'all get this album. I don't know if y'all remember this John Legend album. Loving the Future album. Bomb.
I will touch this one.
Got some Chris Brown graffiti. Keeping it in here. You can sit back. She ain't satisfied with nothing.
I want a new car.
We're gonna get a new car. She was used to us riding in that, I had this car in a Kia Sorento, like the big like SUV. This big white car. I loved it. The sunroof went all the way to the back. It was a 3-seater. Was it a 3-seater or a 4? It was a 3-seater. I think it was a 3-seater, if I can remember. But yeah, we're gonna get a new car.
Wait.
Look, I even still got the old keys to it. See that? But that's a long story in itself. They even cleaned the roof part, which is good.
Oh my God.
Hey y'all. Put this dress down. But hey, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. I just came back from the mailbox. It's like 12:40. I'm gonna get dressed here in a little bit. But I just went and picked up some Amazon packages. So we about to see and make sure that my stuff I got is all in there and it's correct. And I just ordered oh, this is stuff. I didn't only order 2 things. I ordered, there's this light that I needed for my camera because it's usually sometimes when I'm trying to film it's dark. So it's a BL81 by IJIM bicolor fill light. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna try this out today. So yeah, it looks really small. This is the light. Hold on, let me turn on this light right here. That way y'all can kind of see. It's real small. It's like it's the palm of my hand. It can fit in the palm of my hand pretty much. So this is what it looks like. And it can fit right on the side of my camera. Let me make sure it can fit. Let me see. I just gotta screw it up. Oh yes, you guys, this is perfect. Let's see. Let's see if I can see a difference. I have to charge it first? I hope not. And go figure, everything is in, I was gonna say, everything is in Korean. Okay, and I usually keep these boxes because I like to keep the batteries together, everything together. So let's see. Oh, we lit. Literally. I love that. And you can dim it, I think. Hold on, let's see. And change colors. Ooh. See? And it just fits right on the side. It screws right in there. And you charge it at the back. There's a slot. And yeah. Yep. Looks good. I'm excited. So now I can show off my food the way I want to. I can do what I want. How I want. But I'm actually about to get dressed. Oh, y'all don't need to see what else I got. It's personal. It's a personal. Just know it's a ROSE. Okay, hopefully y'all can see me really good. Do I like it yellow? I think I like it like bright like that. But not too bright. Bright enough. Okay. So I did my skincare routine last night. But I did not get to do my eyebrows. So right now I have my wax hot. It is hot and ready for me to do these brows. Boop, 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 boop. Because I was thinking about it. I was like, why don't I just go like get a pedicure tomorrow and then get my I was thinking, I want to go get like a pedicure tomorrow and get my eyebrows done. No, I don't even have the capacity right now to spend $8 when I have wax at the house. So I can do it on my own. I'm about to do my eyebrows right now. So, absolutely link this down below. This is a wax kit. I've had this wax kit for like 2 years. And like I keep boxes because I like to keep stuff organized for the most part. This is the last wax that they have in here. It's a black wax. But they had like 4 packages of wax in there. And it had the whole entire thing. So I'll link this down below. I got it from Amazon. And it came in handy every time. So it's pretty simple. We're going to be outside. I might take my baby down to the city center. And dang, I can't find my smaller ones. Ugh. Like I said, we might go down to the city center and find some stuff to do. Or look around, get some lunch. I don't know. We're going to do mommy-daughter stuff today. So, let's see. Oh, yeah, that wax is good and hot. Good and hot. So, yeah. I'm about to wax it real quick. Somebody not want nothing. Exactly. Anyway. Here, let me get my camera up a little bit. There we go. I'm so happy about my white. I just don't understand. And maybe I can straighten it up. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I'm gonna turn the wax down just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some on here. I'm not no professional waxer. I don't even really know what I'm doing. I just know that I'm gonna do my own stuff if I can do it. I have the ability to. So I'm just gonna brush out my hair. I have thick eyebrows. I've always had thick eyebrows. I used to be bullied because my hair was so thick on my eyebrows. And now everybody want big eyebrows. Or thick eyebrows. And they are thick. They're not as even as they used to be. Cause I used to play around on them, but let's get into this wax. So I'll just take a little bit and kind of let it cool off. Twirl it around. Stuff that you see online and stuff. Ooh. This is like a green wax. If that makes a difference. I don't know. I just know that it's just not the same color. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, hopefully it's not too hot. I feel like I can handle the heat though.
Oh, I'm messing up. Lord have mercy. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. My whole eyebrow about to be gone. See, that's why it's good to use this small. Hold on. Let me see what I can do about this. What? Again, I'm not a professional. I just do what I can. If I take this off this whole where the coconut oil? What? Again, I'm not a professional. I just do what I can. If I take this off this whole where the coconut oil? Where's the oil? Let me use some of this oil. And let's see what we can get off. What? Girl. Get your life together. Okay. And I'm snatching it the wrong way.
So I have this. It's finishing oil. So hopefully this will take it off. Let's see. I do not need my eyebrows gone. Like, I really don't. Oh my gosh. Come on. This should remove the wax without, okay, see? There we go. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. You just keep working it in there. Oh, child. Let me act like I got some sense with this wax. Let me get this out. Okay, I think we recovered a little bit. We recovered a little bit, y'all. Ooh, that top portion looking a little bald. Ooh, child. Okay, let's act like we got a little bit of sense, okay? Let's rewind and let's just go slow, okay? We already got the top portion looking choppy. So let's act like we got a little bit of sense. Because the paddle is big. It is actually pretty big. I don't have any thinner whatchamacallit, so I have to be really careful with this. Okay. And I still ain't doing it right, but it's better than what was going on. I ain't no professional. Okay, now look, this is the best that we gonna get for right now. The rest, I'm just gonna pluck. It look better than what it did. It needs to be shaped like right here. I need to do another one right here, but I really don't even have time because I'm trying to get out, but yeah, I promise it will not be this hard whenever I do it. I swear. It's like when you pull out the camera, stuff want to go awry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna trim them up a little bit, pluck them, and then do my makeup, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. We're gonna be ready to go. All right, we in the car right now, on our way to Dollar Tree so we can get some stuff to make my car smell good. And then we'll be on our way to the city center so I can go park, have us some lunch and stuff. It's a little hot in my car. I need to get my air fixed. And anybody who live in Texas know your air got to be on point. They feel much better. I'll just do them and turn the air down. But yeah, I'm trying to hurry up and get into Dollar Tree. People driving so crazy today. People sleep on the road. Gotta be sleep. Because when this light turn green, I'm gonna give you about 5 seconds. Not even that. Really 3. You need to be going. And I'm not in no rush. But you're asleep and I'm hot.
I got you, Mama.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
So we're about to pull up to Dollar Tree right now. There, my air kicks on. Like my air is on and it works. It's not as hot. But whenever I get the thing going a little bit, you can feel it start to cool off. It gets really, really cold. So yeah, I mean, we gonna figure out what that is here in the next few weeks. Go ahead and get that taken care of because it's too hot here in Houston. In Texas, period. It's too hot for that. Okay, so we are in a store called Hemling. Oh, I gotta get away from this music. Hopefully I can talk over the music so I don't get demonetized. But they have some really cute pieces in here. They have shades, and let me see. Let me show you. I have. If it can focus. Earrings and candles. Let me look at the candles. Cute. Like it's giving me LA. Doing good. How are you?
Good.
Oh, even look at this right here. Isn't that cute?
I don't want that.
And they have some cute pieces. What really caught my eye were these boots. Yeah, I know I love me a good sparkle. But yeah, y'all, I gotta go because I don't want this music. So we are at the city center, and this is Memorial City. And they always have some good stuff. And it's really nice out here. Everybody just comes out here and has a good time. They have a lot of shopping centers, a lot of places to eat. Y'all should really come and look, enjoy. So this is perfect time for me to have my light. Hopefully y'all can hear me talking over this music. But we are at Yard House, right? About to have some lunch. So what you want to get? Hopefully I can talk over this music. So yeah, I'm about to order me a drink and some meat.
I said order me a cheese pizza and a soda.
Sounds good to me. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in a minute. And they got my firecracker shrimp just laying over to the side. She running playing. Look, she got a little teacup. You go ask her, can you pet it? Go ask her, can you go pet it? I'm trying to talk over the music because it's so loud. She finna go ask her, can she play with the puppy? Okay, y'all, so they got so many flavors. She's getting, thank you. She's getting the Texas cheese cheesecake. It's dairy free, which is good. The Brambleberry crisp. And I'm getting Brambleberry crisp. I was gonna get honey vanilla bean, that's my go-to. Oh, I get 2 scoops. Can I get the lemon and berries parfait? These are flavors that they have. You can get in a cone or bowl. I'm home. So I'm about to run my baby some bath water. People have really been trying me today. Like, really been trying me. Did I ever tell y'all I didn't vlog last weekend, but I had ended up going to a Moonchild concert. Had a ball with one of my best friends. I invited her out there because I know that she likes music and that kind of music. Invited her out. She came out. We had a good time. We was moving towards the front because people was moving around. So as people was moving, we was moving towards the front. You know, trying to get a better view because she's shorter than me. She's like this little. So shout out to Dez. Love you, baby. Anyway, we get there and this lady, she tell me on my shoulder and she's like, people can't see in front of you. I'm talking 5'7". People can't see in front of you. Blah, 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 blah. Just going off on me. I'm like, man, I'm not in this establishment. Like, calm down. And I was drinking a little bit of liquor. And yes. You like it? Yes. What it smell like? She got her new chapstick. What it smell like? Let me see. It's like sweet sugar cookie or something. But anyway, so she doing like this to me. And I'm like, and everybody around her looking at like, Yeah, you need to calm down. Not that serious. She taller than me. So he's like, people behind you can't see. I was like, oh, I'm sorry. And so I turned around to the people who couldn't. I said, well, before I said that, I looked up and down like, you can't see? I know they were smart of me, but you don't come at me like that. Because then I got to be back smart with you. I'm like, you can't see? She's like, no, baby. Oh, no, you ain't. Man, why are you acting like this at this establishment? Why you want to act? If you want to do that, we can go outside with that. But I'll hit you up after the concert. Like, I'm trying to enjoy the concert right now. So I'll hit you up in a minute. Too much of this. I kind of shoot her off. I'm not worried about Miss Ma'am. She died down, we go back. Why are we trying to fight? What are we doing? Easily tell me, hey ma'am, the people behind you can't really see. I know you just moved up there, but they can't really see behind you. Do you think you can like move somewhere else or move down below? No politeness in it. No genuine kindness. Just rah. Ma'am, I don't do well with that. I don't do well with this either, because I'm not good at arguing. I'm about action. So anyway.
That's what Jaleel do to me.
That's what Jaleel do to you? Oh.
He be mean.
Oh, well, tell him stop being mean. Or me, I'm gonna have to see his parents. Anyway, I'm about to run her a bath. And then I'm gonna run me a bath. And then I'm closing out the vlog right here, right now. I think this vlog is probably gonna be 50 minutes. We finna go get your pajamas. And I will see you guys next weekend. Don't stop.